Speaking here today, focusing brilliantly. infinityahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the student.
Welcome to infinityahzee, kidsworld. Hello, congratulations.
Kidsworld. It's time to move up. Get smart. Learn English. Get your lifestyle.
Hello, good afternoon. Nice to meet you. I am Mawya. I am a student. I am from respectable Muslim family. I live at Gopalbari, Bogtala in Sherpur district. My father's name is Saiful Islam Dalim and he is a businessman. My mother's name is Dina Sultana and she is a homemaker. I have only one sister. I like orange but I don't like banana. My favorite hobby is drawing. My parents love me too much. I wanna be a doctor in future. Please pray for me. That's all. Bye.
Thanks for watching this video. Have a good time. Good luck!